I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the well of compassion, drawing the breath in, deeply, deeply moving into your own being and feeling the energy vibration of Quan Yin. I speak from the well of compassion. I am Quan Yin, drawing the breath in. As you draw the breath into the body, feel the body on the deepest level. The frequency shifts that are going on the planet right now, the storms and the solar flares that you are experiencing are registering deeply within the vibratory matter of your akasha, your connection to the Akashic record and to your vibrational bodies. There is a great deal of activity going on at this time within your chakra systems, a great deal of activity going on within the vibratory patterns within each of your chakra systems. So I ask you to breathe now and to be aware of your body, right and left side, in and out breath, asking you to look for balance. Keep the mind trained on watching the breath. Watch the right side of the body and the left. As you breathe in, connect to your right hip, your left hip, your right foot, your left foot, your right shoulder, your left shoulder, the right eye and the left eye, the right nostril and the left nostril, the right ear and the left ear. Shaking out the hands away from the body as far as you can, pushing out to the right and the left, gently and slowly bring them back, crossing them over, right hand on the left shoulder and left hand on the right shoulder, keeping the arms crossed in front of the body. Breathe deeply in and mentally repeat, I am balanced and whole. My inner male and female come together in unity consciousness. I am balanced and whole. And breathing it in, slide the hands down, keeping them crossed to your hips. Right hand on left hip, left hand on right hip. I am balanced and whole. I am balanced and whole on the inner male and female. I am balanced and whole in my thoughts, in my deeds, in my feelings and emotions. I am balanced and whole. And slide the palms down to the knees, right knee and left knee, keeping the hands crossed, right hand on left knee, left hand on right knee, and breathing in. As you breathe in this time, feel the energy cycling through your body in a new way, and feel the energy in your feet, drawing the breath into the body, feeling the energy into the feet, balancing, balancing, balancing. I am Quan Yin, helping you bring the physical form into balance. This chakra system that we have addressed and spoken of, this chakra system vibrates through your being. This chakra system that vibrates through your being is undergoing a shift. You could say, if you would like, that your chakra system is undergoing a shift in consciousness. The chakra system is a very fine-tuned vibratory energy, like a plate within the being, like a fine-tuned energetic plate that absorbs energies. You can change the chakra system with vibrations. You can change it with vibratory sounds. You can work on it with energy sounds and breath in the body. By having the hands crossed at the shoulders, repeat it again, crossing the hands, right hand on left shoulder, left hand on right shoulder, breathing in and mentioning my name, Quan Yin. I am moving into unity consciousness with my inner male and female. I am becoming whole. And in that wholeness, I'm accepting my power. And sliding the hands down, left hand on right hip, right hand on left hip, breathing into the hips. Once again, I am whole. My inner male and female become whole. And as you are breathing and saying this, you will feel the energy down, moving through your ankles and your feet into the earth. A new vibration cycling through your body. Bring it to the knees, leaning into the knees. I am one. I am many. My inner male and female are coming into a whole balance, and my power is coming into wholeness. We leave vibrations and notes. We leave triggers to open you up to your wholeness. We, meaning the higher vibratory beings of the planet. We, meaning the compassionate ones. We, meaning the teachers that have come to the planet before you as ascended masters and as beings from other planes of realities, of beings from other star systems, other parts, other universes than yours. Those clues and vibrations are opening up hearts and souls at this time. And hearts and souls are becoming one. There's a great deal of infusion of energy taking place, and so you are integrating. Each and every one of you on this call, in this circle, is integrating a new energy. You have gone through physical ailments, physical surgeries. You have gone through emotional ups and downs. You have faced fears. You have gone through pains in the body and nervous system disorders. You have gone through disappointments and imbalances in the mind, depressions, worries, fears, and so on and so forth, to bring you into balance. So there is a vibratory shift going on. This vibratory shift that you are feeling has really increased since January of this year. Around the end of the year 2015, according to your calendars, moving into the year of 2016, there has been a deeper permeation of energy, of light energy, vibratory frequency energy into the physical. Did you think this was not going to create change? Dear ones, you have an understanding of it, and your souls have a desire for light. You are now taking the light into your body. It is if you were having an intravenous needle going into your veins, bringing in vitamins or bringing in drugs or bringing in some kind of healing energy. So the light goes into the body. As the light comes into the body has to readjust and absorb it. You all are sensitive enough and open enough in the chakras, as we have mentioned, to really feel a huge transition of light. Those of you who took the light in through the crown chakra may have felt extreme headaches, especially around the temples and the sinus area. Aches in the jaws, ear aches, aches at the top of the head, dizziness, imbalances, tiredness all of a sudden in the middle of the day, and a need to sit down or lay down or be. Do not fight these needs, but open to receptivity. This energy vibration is coming in the body because at some time you have asked for it. So imagine if you have gone to the doctor and asked for an intravenous transfusion of vitamin B. That is what vitamin B12, bringing energy vibration into your body, let's say. That's what is happening now. You are having light come into the physical.